Welcome to the Bluebeam Cloud's My Workspace tutorial by Brighter Graphics. My Workspace is your personal space to mark up and revise your drawings. You can also share your files with your team members and vice versa. When you log into Bluebeam Cloud, your greeting screen will be My Workspace section by default. Under the My Work tab, you can add your first drawing. To do so, click the Browse link that you will find at the center of your screen and add your desired PDF from your device. Now wait for your drawing to load and it will be accessible. You can add more drawings by clicking the Upload Files button at the top, or double-click the file to open it in Bluebeam Cloud's PDF editor. Now, here it is. Press Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Here you can see the drawing has been imported with the existing markup from your Revu. On the right, click the button with cloud and rectangle icons to access a mini markup list of Bluebeam Cloud containing the list of all your markups. You can see that the Comments tab is showing 0 records. The reason? We will discuss it in the following video. On the left panel bar, you have your tool chest on the top, where you can access different predefined toolsets. To ensure workflow consistency, you can also export your custom toolsets from Bluebeam Revu to the cloud. Below the tool chest, you have a selection tool that you can use to select your markups and access the Properties bar for the respective markups. The selection tool is followed by several other markup tools you can use to annotate your drawings. The markup tools with gray-colored arrows have nested options that you access by double-clicking and holding on to the markup. Let's select the cloud markup from the list. Now, you can apply the markup either by marking individual anchor points for irregular shapes or by clicking and dragging to draw a rectangle. After applying the markup, you can see it will be listed under the Shapes section. Similarly, under the Callout markup, you also have a Cloud Plus markup with a text box. Drag and draw the rectangular shape like we did before. Then, adjust the text box and write or state to annotate the markup with meaningful text. From the Properties bar at the top, you can scale the size of your text. Now, use the handles of the text box to adjust it accordingly. If you go to the Cloud markup list, you can see that the Cloud Plus tool is not listed under the Shapes section like the rest. The markups with annotation text are listed under the Comments tab, where you can add different review tags for design review and other workflows. You can also add comments to the markups listed under the Comments tab to communicate different notes or add reminders. If you click on the See Details option on your markup, you can see it's not showing any revision history right now. Let's add different review tags one by one. Now go back to the Details section, and it will start showing your review history that you can use to track changes throughout the project lifecycle. Let's go back to the markup properties where we left off. You have a variety of options under the properties to change the color and transparency of your markup to create unique markups that are easily distinguishable. Okay, so you can also do the same with the text box of your Cloud Plus markups separately. You also have 3 different font options to choose from. That's it for the Bluebeam Cloud Editor. One last thing is you can access and view your PDF pages by clicking the blue arrow on the left end of your screen. Click on the arrow at the top left corner of the editor to exit the session. You can share your annotated drawings with your team members. They can find the shared files under the Shared with Me tab. Next time, we will cover real-time collaboration on projects in Bluebeam Cloud. Don't forget to subscribe and explore our channel for all things Bluebeam.